In probability, mostly the cards question are being asked. So before that, we need to understand what cards means. So if you don't know about the cards, let's understand it. So we call it as a deck of cards or simply cards. So this is the whole picture of the cards which you will find in a deck of cards. There are total 52 cards. So in all, in a deck of cards, there are 52 cards in all. Now how this 52 are constituted? So we can divide this whole cards into 4 different parts. So when we have the equal 4 parts, there will be 13, 13 and 13 and 13 different parts of cards. We call them as suites. From here to here, that is 13 and 13, 26 cards, they are black cards. Then the rest card remaining, which are again 26 cards, 13 and 13, 2 suites. These are again 26 cards and they will be red cards. So there will be 4 suites, 2 black, 2 red. So what do you see here? The first line which you see is a club of cards. That is from 1 till 13 cards. These 13 cards, the first suite is club. Now coming to the second line. In the second line, we have again from A to K. So whenever you see this symbol, these cards will be spade cards. Again 13 spade cards. So from A to K, there are 13 cards of second suite which is called spade. Now when you combine this club and spade, which are black, there are 26 cards. So this is how this one partition of black has commenced. Now coming to the second part, which is the red cards. The third line again from A to K, and the sign is of heart. That is why we call it as these 13 cards hearts. So this is the third type of suite and it is called as heart. So this is the heart. Now again we have 1 to 13 cards which are again red colored. But now the symbol has changed. The diagram which you see on it changed. This is a diamond diagram. That's why we call these 13 cards, red cards, as diamond. 13 diamond. So this is diamond. These are the 4 partition and 4 suites. So in all, heart and diamond, these are red cards, again will be 26. Club and spade will be 26. So 4 suites, club 13, spade 13, heart 13, diamond 13. Club and spade, black cards, combine them, they call black card. Then we have a red card. Heart and diamond are red cards. Now if you see a particular line of the cards, that is the 13 cards, they are from 1 to 13. But the number cards are only from 2 to 10. Normally we assume that it should be written as 1 to 13. But the first card is not called 1, it is called an ace. Ikka, an ace card. 2 to 10, these are numbered cards. And from 11 to 13, 11, 12, 13, 11 is a jack for all the suites, 12 is queen for all the suites, and 13 is king for all the suites. So for 13 cards in one suite, there will be 1 ace, there will be 2 to 10, that is 13 minus 4, 9 numbered cards, and 1 jack, 1 queen, and 1 king. So let me take an example. What kind of question can be asked? Now the question can be like this. In this 52 cards, now when you pick a single card or take out one card, what is the probability of getting a queen? So the probability of any experiment or event is number of favorable cases divided by number of total cases. So you can call it as number of favorable events and number of total events, but it should be the numbers only. So in all these 52 cards, you can pick one card. So total number of possibilities, total number of outcomes can be 52. So number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes can be 52. Any of the card you can pick. But what is our favorable event? There are in these 52 cards, there are 4 queens. 1 queen in each suite. So favorable event is only 4. That is, from these 4 queen, 1 can be picked up. So the favorable is 5 and total number of outcomes are 52. 4 divided by 52 is 1 by 13. And this is the probability of getting a queen if one card is picked from the deck of 52 cards.